Hey guys, and welcome back to Trey Reviews It. So, thanks for coming back. To all of my followers, thank you so much for sticking with me. To all of my new people, welcome. I hope you choose to subscribe. So today, I am going to be doing a review for the Tymo. I believe that this is a new version of the Tymo. Want to see how this comes out? Stay tuned. All right. All right, so I'm back with another Amazon review. This Tymo Ring Plus is absolutely amazing. The link will be available in the description below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also hit subscribe and ding that notification bell to make sure you get notified every time I drop a new video. So this is everything that came inside of the box. So you have your Tymo, you have a heat glove. It also comes with a little velvet storage pouch, and 2 hair clips. So going into the specs of this beautiful invention, it will run you for $69.99, but if you watch till the end of the video, I do have an awesome discount available for you. Now, looking at this device, it's very ergonomically sound, meaning it's not gonna bother your wrist when you're using it, okay? So it's got a built-in ionic system, smooths the hair, and minimizes frizz for long-lasting style, fast heat up process, and it also has special plates for even heat distribution through the hair shaft, so it's going to be really helpful. It also has 3 buttons to regulate the temperature, okay? 3 settings for that, as well as a 360-degree swivel cord. I find it very, very easy to use. And it's basically like a hot comb, but you're able to get a little closer to the scalp with it. I have used it a couple times, but I'm going to demonstrate how to use it after this is freshly washed and conditioned hair. I am going to blow dry, and then I'm going to go through it, and I'll give you some details on it. You guys, I'll give you my honest review. Getting started, guys. So I always start out with some cold pressed certified organic castor oil, as well as my own concoction of shea butter, okay? I like to add that to my hair after washing and conditioning it to lock in the moisture before blow drying, okay? I'm gonna blow dry with my Revlon paddle brush. Absolutely love this thing, saves me so much time. If you're interested in checking out the review, follow this link up here in the corner. Any items mentioned will be linked below in the description box. Let me know if you guys get a chance to try these products. Now, see, now he sees that I'm shooting a video, but here he comes. Now, is it me or is everybody else too, where nobody wants to bother you until you're busy, and all of a sudden everybody want to be in your face? Kids are like, mommy. Hashtag mom life. But so I'm blow drying here. I'm gonna get through this. I had him bring me my heated glove because the struggle is real. My hair holds a lot of heat, and it is definitely necessary. All right, so we're gonna go through here. And this glove is comfortable. I feel like it definitely helps with the process. I don't have to stop in between. Blow drying in case my hair gets too hot. So I'm being goofy, I'm having a good time, and just enjoying it. This is like a self-care moment for me. I love doing my hair, but at the same time, it can be a struggle. So I learn to trust the process and do what works best for me. I have my own hacks. I'm sure you have yours. Please feel free to share yours in the comment section below. I'd love to hear any feedback you guys have. It's greatly appreciated, and it helps me to do better for my channel. Thanks. What I will tell you that I know for sure is a good, decent blow dry is going to be essential for having a nice press, a nice flat iron, and a nice silk press, okay? So take your time doing this and make sure you're doing it in the proper direction and that you're thorough, drying all the roots and making sure you don't leave any wet patches anywhere. And this is me almost finished. I'm anal about going through and making sure all those parts are done. But we have come to our conclusion. We are all set. It is dry. Now we can move on to the next step. So I am currently warming up the Tymo. There's the power button. It shows you what the temperature is, and the highest temperature I go to is 410. Anything more than that could damage your curl pattern, so be very careful with that. All right, so we're just doing a little before, showing you what it looks like, and we are ready to get down to business. Before I forget to mention it, there will be an Amazon link in the description box, as well as a direct to Tymo link. Whatever your preference is, I have both options available for you, especially if you're a Prime member and you like that overnight delivery. It's gonna be perfect for you. The Tymo link also will give you 20% off of your purchase and free shipping on anything over 50 bucks. That's my husband. He's handsome, isn't he? All right, so we are pulling up this Tymo. So the Tymo is going to blink a few times to let you know it's warming up. Once it stops blinking, it is ready for use. Now what I do is I go under first. And the reason why I go under first is because when I come around the top, I want to be able to have that nice flat press from my roots. And so I repeat that with every section. You see that? Look at that. Now my hair went from a little curly, little frizzy to nice, shiny, silky, and see, now I'm closing it up. I'm doing a close up here. Look at this. I'm going up to get the bottom of my roots for that section first. See how it's smoking a little bit? Don't worry, my hair is not burning. This is normal. Has to do with the oils I put in my hair previously. And I take my time and go through it. I do about 2 passes or so. I'm very thorough with my hair because I like for it to last, you know, and then I go from the top. And I'm very close to my scalp, actually. So, and this is not bothering me. You don't see me flinching. You don't see me burning myself. I'm just like, okay, this is definitely for me. Can you see that? That looks awesome. Now we're going to speed it up here. I never get tired of looking at this. I'll go through with a couple of passes, and then, you know, before I even get through my hair, I'm like, dang, this look good already. But I'm only like a third of the way through. So this is a close-up for the front section. This is me getting my edges, getting real close in there. Now, mind you, the thing still is hot, so don't get careless, right? But I'm just showing, you know, it's catching. It's doing what it needs to do, and I like it. So I have fast-forwarded through, skipped through a little more, so you can kind of see. This is almost my end result. And if you can see how my technique is, I go from there we go. So I'm going from the top first when I get up to the top of my head, because obviously it's going to get the roots from the top. But when I come from the bottom, it's going to give my hair more of a natural bump. If you can see this, there we go. Now you can see it. I'm going to cuff up and just pull it out. Not a whole bunch of pressure, very gentle, very soft with my hair. And it's going to have a nice little bump at the end. It's going to cause it to look like it's just flowing, okay? Effortless. But I will tell you, this is very easy to use. Just like with anything else, it takes patience. But if you know what you're doing and you give yourself a chance to get used to it, get comfortable with it, you're going to have excellent results. Excellent results. So there we go. And that was the last piece that I did. Getting that in. I'm going to come in from the bottom one more time so you can see what I'm talking about with that technique. I think the hardest part for me is like getting a straight part in front of my head. Leave some emojis there if you know what I'm talking about. There we go. And that is how I finish it off. Comb it down a little bit. Make it look a little like I did it on purpose. And that's my end result. I'm going to fix this part real quick. And there you have it. The masterpiece, baby. The masterpiece. Be sure to ignore the curly-headed baby in the background. We're getting ready to go out of town, and I have to sedate him first before redoing his hair. So these are my results. I think they are amazing. So I'm going to do a before Tymo Ring Plus and after Tymo Ring Plus. Check out that shine. Check out that body. I'm in love. Okay. So real quick, because my house is filling up with people. So I will tell you, I absolutely love this Tymo, okay? And I know for sure this is the second version of it. And I will tell you, it heats up. Maximum heat is 410 degrees, okay? Also, it takes about maybe 30 to 45 seconds for it to get to the maximum heat where you can use it once you press the power button and turn it on. Also, it comes with this glove. I use this for blow drying because my hair holds a lot of heat and I will burn myself. But I could actually flat iron my hair without it. So anybody that's sensitive to it, go ahead and do that. I will say I like that it has a maximum heat of 410 because I believe the heat for messing up your curl pattern is like 450 or something like that. So of course, do what works for you. Okay, this line still don't look straight, but it's cool. Do what works for you. Also, I do have 4C hair, so in case you know, it was like 4B, 4C, something like that. But it took me a long time to train my hair. So when I washed my hair, in case you guys are wondering, I washed it with some Shea Moisture black soap, the big old black bar you can get at the Walgreens. And I think they might have it on Amazon. I'll put a link below if I find it. And then I followed that with Paul Mitchell's shampoo, and then I put in the conditioner. But I also added some detangler, and I finger detangled my hair first before I finished washing it and stuff, just so you guys know. And then I showed you guys my, this is my concoction. So this is shea butter, cocoa butter, I think mango butter. I put some castor oil in it, some jojoba oil or jojoba oil, and a little bit of argan oil in here, and I just kind of pull it out whenever I do my hair. And then today I just use a little bit of that with like 1 or 2 drops for each section of the organic certified organic cold pressed castor oil. So that's what I do, and that's how I get this shine. And yeah, so I'm just gonna tell you right now, this is giving you're welcome. You know, it's giving, yes, it's giving, it's just giving. It's just giving all day. So the link to purchase this on Amazon is down below in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer what I can. Let me know if you tried it. Do you like it? Does it work for you? Would you choose this over a regular hot comb or not? I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you. The original is the original. Okay, I mean, I'll press with a hot comb, but I will tell you that this is a lot faster for me. You will have a quicker time doing this and using this particular item if you do a blowout for your hair first. It makes it super simple, super easy, but I will tell you I love it. And to be honest with you, this kind of look like a lace front, y'all. It's giving lace front vibes. Okay, let me, if I was to come in and do some bangs up on here, you know, some baby hairs, I ain't gonna do that because I just wash my hair. But I'm saying, if I did though, this be giving lace front all day. So that's my review. I absolutely love it. I think it's a great product. I think it's very convenient. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Peace.